Alright, I got a quick unboxing to do. Let's see what we have here. I think I know what this is, but not 100% sure. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, these are the 2017 koalas. I ordered 5 of them. I think it's a pretty cool design this year. As do I think. I really like last year's design too, but for these ones I only bought 5. A little tight with funds right now. I would have loved to have bought a roll of them, but there's some other things I want to get, so didn't have enough. But anyway, there it is. Let me take this out of the package so we can see it's the same reverse that they all have with the queen, but little camera problem. If it would focus. So that's what I got. Alright, sorry for the camera problems. Look like having a little bit of problem focusing right now. But that's what I got. 5 of the koalas. And I should be getting some more stuff in soon. So I'll be doing some more unboxings coming up this week. Alright, thanks a lot. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be seeing some more soon. Thanks a lot.